friends, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Annalise, and in today's video we are going to be not only reviewing some very interesting Halloween costumes from Shein, but I'm also going to show you guys how to do some really cute and really easy DIY Halloween costumes with stuff that you already have in your closet. So what I did is I went onto Shein and I chose a bunch of stuff that is just ordinary clothing items that you can turn into a costume, especially this year due to COVID. Since Halloween isn't really a thing, if you still want to dress up, it's probably best not to spend a lot of money on costumes, and I think a lot of people are opting to just make something out of clothes they already own, so this video is perfect for that. But before we get into that, I do just want to say thank you so much to Shein for sponsoring today's video. I really appreciate it. And also, if you guys want to get even more fashion content from me, I'm actually posting on my second channel, Annalise's Glam Life. So I'm going to be doing all sorts of reviews, fashion news, all that sort of fun stuff. So if you love fashion, it's definitely a channel I would recommend subscribing to. And the last thing before we get into this video is don't forget that I have my merch for sale. I really love it. I love it so much. I'm wearing it all the time. So I have this beautiful, very glam design. This is the front and this is the back, and of course the mug. So I will have everything that I have just mentioned linked down below. But without further ado, let's get on into this video. Let's kick off this video with some of the actual Shein Halloween costumes. So the first one we have is a Maid here, which I feel like is a classic, you know, saucy costume. So it comes with a bunch of accessories, but the main part of this costume is this little black dress that has all, oh my gosh, can I hold this? It has all of the lace on the front, and as you can see, it is quite short, so it'll be interesting to see if I'm even able to wear this on camera. Someone put a comment on my last Halloween video being like, honestly, I could see Annalise starting an OnlyFans just so she could show us her racy outfits, and that is something I would do. But for now, we'll see how this goes. It's not the greatest quality, like it is just a Halloween costume quality, you know, so I definitely think this happens with all Halloween costumes. They're not as great quality as normal clothes, so that's why, again, I think sometimes it can be better to opt for making a Halloween outfit out of clothes that you already own, as I'll show you guys later on. But I mean, this looks to be pretty cute and it looks exactly like the photo. Alright my loves, this is what the outfit looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and of course you're not meant to wear pants underneath this, but there's no way that I could show you guys this outfit without me wearing pants, as it is extremely short. Now, I don't know if it's meant to be really short. Maybe it's like a, you know, lingerie thing more than a Halloween costume, but I just put some pants underneath, and look, I really don't think it looks that bad with the pants. It does match, kind of, and they came with a lot of accessories. As I said, there was a choker and something else. I'm guessing it might have meant to have been a garter, but I hate those. I just don't like them, so instead I put it around my waist to add even more lace to this outfit. So overall, I mean, it's an interesting costume. It's definitely a little bit short, so I'd recommend sizing up or just plan to wear some sort of pants underneath it, or don't if you're not wanting to. I can't tell you what to do, so do whatever you want with this, but I would definitely wear some pants underneath it. But overall, I think it's a cute costume. I mean, it looks exactly like the photo. It's just a little bit short. The next actual Halloween costume that we have from Shein is the classic Playboy bunny outfit. So this is what you get. You get this pink leotard with the fur on top, and it has a little tail attached. And for the accessories, you get some pink bunny ears. There we go. And in this little bag, I haven't actually opened it yet, so let's see what's in here. I think it's just like the little hand bits. Oh, cute. Okay, so you get a little bow for around your neck. That's cute. I like that. And then you get these little, like, things to go around your wrist. So it's just a white bit of material with a gem on it. So I love this bow. I'm definitely going to keep this to put in my hair. But if you guys are a regular viewer on my channel, you would know that I actually got this pretty much similar costume from Fashion Nova, and it didn't fit at all. It was woeful. So I'm really hoping that I'll be able to redeem that with this, because, especially because this has the fur on it, it's not only a cute Playboy bunny outfit, but it's also a Elle Woods dressed up as Playboy bunny outfit, so you could go as either, and I just love that so much. So the quality, again, it's not great on this. It'll probably only get one wear out of it, but it'll do for Halloween. And I love can I talk? I love that it comes with the accessories as well. And the bunnies, they're okay. They're not the greatest, but they do have wire in it so that you can bend them and everything, and that's really cute too. I'd probably wear one down because I think that looks cutest. But let's go try this one on and see how it fits. Alrighty, this is what the Playboy bunny outfit looks like on. And I know I'm wearing a skirt over it, but that is because, I mean, I just can't show it on YouTube, y'all. It's really cute and it does fit. So as you can see, it comes all the way up here to like above my hip bone. So as such, I can't show that like on camera, but you can kind of get the vibe of how high up it goes, and it fits perfectly. It's just that I know that I'll be pushing the monetization limits if I show this, but it does fit really well and is a lot better than the Fashion Nova one, that's for sure. So this is the front and this is the back, and there is the little, you know, bunny tail in there as well, and the accessories are cute and I really like this. I think that it's a great option, and if you want to, you know, cover yourself up a little bit more, then you can always opt for a cute skirt like this. But if you're looking for a bunny costume, I definitely recommend Shein over Fashion Nova. And I actually heard in the news today that Fashion Nova is being sued for their Playboy bunny outfit. So I don't know what's going on there. If you all are interested, on my Annalise's Glam Life channel, I could do a video all about Fashion Nova being sued. Let me know if you're interested. But for now, if you want a cute bunny costume, I definitely recommend Shein because it fits well. It's just very like high cut, so I do love it. But yeah, just know that it is a very high cut piece. This next outfit is the final actual costume from Shein. The rest are all like DIY costumes, but it is very interesting and you're gonna have to let me explain. So this is the costume. It is this pink little nightie that has the fluffy on top, and I think this is perfect for the Fembot costume from Austin Powers. So if you follow celebrity news, you might know that Kendall Jenner actually dressed up as a Fembot maybe last year, if not the year before, and when I saw this on Shein, I thought that that was the perfect costume to recreate. But again, included is a thong. I don't know why. I just don't know why they include these. But yeah, again, that's not going to get used by me. But I think that this will be so very gorgeous and just a fun little outfit. So let's go try it on. Alright guys, this is what the Fembot costume looks like on it. So this is the front, and I'm not sure how the back looks with all of my straps going on. But this is the back. And I love this so very much. I think it is such a beautiful girly costume. However, unfortunately, a part of the feathers are already starting to fall off, which really sucks because I think this would be a great nightie as well. Like this could double as an at-home, you know, lingerie set, which I love. I think it's beautiful. But as a costume, as I said, I put a white dress underneath it just because it's a bit too sheer. It's completely sheer. So you could definitely experiment with what you want to wear underneath it, and that would be really cute. So I just think it's such a beautiful girly costume. And if you live in a hot climate, this is perfect because like you're basically wearing nothing. So it's super cool and I just love it so very much. I think it's a beautiful piece. Pretty well made apart from the feathers already falling off, which is really disappointing, but I just love this so very much. And I mean, you get a free thong with it. Don't know why. I don't understand why, but hey, you do. So if that's something you're into, there you go. Now moving on to the costumes from Shein that I've created by just getting ordinary clothes. So be sure to use this as like inspiration for what you already have in your closet. So the first outfit that I wanted to recreate for Halloween would be Britney Spears in Hit Me Baby One More Time. The outfit is iconic and guaranteed if you dress up as that, everyone will know who you are. So to start it off, I got this black skirt from Shein that I actually do really like. It's pleated and this is not see-through at all, and it's really good quality material. So this is definitely going to stay in my wardrobe, not just for Halloween but like for always, because I think it'll be great to go with lots of my little crop tops. I think it'll just match perfectly. So we have this for the black skirt. Then Shein has a bunch of white button-up tops, but I think a lot of you guys will have this in your wardrobe at home, so you just need one of these and we're gonna like wear it all sexily like. And you also will need a grey cardigan. So I got this one as well from Shein. Of course, everything's from Shein, and it's a nice thick knit, which is really good, especially if you're, you know, living in a country where it's really cold but you still want to look cute. This is probably a good option. But I think what really will make it look like Britney Spears' outfit is putting your hair into the two plaits with these super cute pink scrunchies. These are from Shein. They are these beautiful tulle material and they are this gorgeous baby pink color. I really like these, and again, I'm gonna wear these after Halloween as well, which I think is great. That way you're getting like multiple wears out of the outfit. So I think this is gonna look absolutely gorgeous, super girly and super fun. So let's go try it on and see what we think. This is what the costume looks like on, and I am obsessed with how it's turned out. I've just paired it with some black knee-high socks, and I'd wear some heels out as well if I was wearing this out and about. And I'm very proud, I was even able to get my short hair up into 2 plaits. There are so many bobby pins in the back of my hair right now, but I love this costume so very much. It is super easy and super cheap, and it looks good. Like, it looks like a very well put together costume. It doesn't look cheap or fake or just like you didn't put any effort in. It looks like you put so much effort in. No one's even gonna know that this was a last minute costume. I love it so very much. I wish I was going somewhere for Halloween because I would wear this, so I might take some photos for Insta and pretend I'm at a Halloween party instead, because I love this so much. I think it is such a fun and girly outfit idea, and I just think it's amazing. The next Halloween costume that we're going to create out of a normal outfit is Daphne from Scooby-Doo. What you need for this is just a completely purple outfit. So I selected this purple dress from Shein because it's just beautiful, and I know it's something that I will wear in the summer, definitely. So it's got a purple slip dress underneath, and then it has the chiffon over the top. So this is definitely a more trendy version of Daphne, of course. I'm not going specifically off the photo, trying to copy it completely, but just a rough idea with the colors. So I got this beautiful dress, and to match with that, I chose this PVC jacket because Daphne, I mean, she's wearing a long sleeve dress, but I couldn't find any long sleeve dresses, so I thought this would do. So wearing this over the top, and especially because it has like the collar, I thought it would look really great. So again, this is just PVC. It's pretty well made as far as PVC goes, and I like it. And the piece de resistance of this outfit is this green scarf. You need a green scarf in your Daphne costume. That's really gonna sell it that it's Daphne and not just like, I don't know, dressed up in purple. So I think that this is gonna look super cute, and as long as you play with the purple and green colors, specifically a green necktie, you're definitely going to look like Daphne. Why did I want to say Gatsby? You're definitely gonna look like Daphne. So let's go try this outfit on. This is what the DIY Daphne costume looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and I really love this. I think that it's a great way to just pull from items that you have in your closet, or if you want this exact outfit from Shein, and it's super cheap, and you're going to wear these items again because, first of all, this purple dress is stunning. I love it so much. I would actually just wear the purple and this if I wanted to do like a casual cosplay, like a note to myself like, oh, I look like Daphne today, but no one else knows. I think that's fun. And then the jacket just adds to the vibe, and again, if you love the color purple, or even if you don't, it's just a cute outfit. Like, it looks cute. The purples match together so very well, and you're going to be able to get a lot of wears out of it. Everything was super cheap, and it's just a very easy costume. All you need to add is a pair of heels. If you have purple heels, perfect. If not, any color will really do, and you look like Daphne, and I love it so much. I can't convey to you guys how much I love this dress because it's got like the chiffon. I couldn't think of what it was called because it's got the chiffon like all ruched over the top. It's great to hide any imperfections that we are worried about, because I don't love my stomach personally, so I like to try and hide it. That way, you know, it's not as obvious, and I think that this dress does that really well. So I really do think in the future I might wear this out clubbing because it's super cute and super fun. But for now, this is a great Daphne costume, and I'm really happy with how it all came together. This next DIY Halloween costume I absolutely love because I'm sure a lot of you guys will already have this stuff at home, but if not, Shein has some amazing options, and that's to dress up as a Victoria's Secret angel. Now, by saying that, I'm not saying just go in lingerie, which if you want to do that, girl, you rock it, but instead I'm saying to go in some robes. So Shein has pretty much the exact Victoria's Secret robe design, and it is not even half the price. It is super duper cheap, and I love robes just in general. Like, I like wearing them when I'm, you know, doing my makeup and all that jazz. And I have the real Victoria's Secret one that's in this pattern from the fashion show, and I'm pretty sure it was like $200 or something ridiculous. I used to collect them, but now they're not really doing the fashion show anymore, so getting one from Shein is a great option. So literally all you need is to wear this robe and boom, you're a Victoria's Secret angel. If you wanted to take it one step further, add some white wings to your outfit, and that way it sells the angel idea more. I don't have any white wings, so I would just do my hair and makeup in this and wear some high heels, and I think that would be gorgeous. But if you don't want to get this exact Victoria's Secret dupe, Shein has a bunch of gorgeous robes that I absolutely adore. They have this beautiful satin robe that has feathers on the end, and I love this so very much. And of course it has the tie-up feature as well. So honestly, either of these robes would be perfect for a Victoria's Secret angel, because you're just gonna look cute and wear a robe and boom, you're an angel. And also you're gonna be hella comfy in these robes all night, because that is what they're made for, comfort. So let's go put the two of these on and see what we think. Alrighty, this is what the robe looks like on. So this is the front and this is the back, and it is super cute. Oh, I just knocked my table and I have a candle there. That could have ended badly. I like this outfit a lot. I think it's just so comfy and super duper easy. So I am just wearing a white dress underneath it. If you're wanting to wear like a Victoria's Secret outfit such as this one from Shein for Halloween, definitely wear something underneath. You don't want to go like when, otherwise accidents will happen is what I'm trying to say there, and I got tongue tied. But an accident will happen. You don't want the wind to blow and everything's on show. So definitely just wear like a cute little dress underneath. And I just think it's a really simple outfit. You show up in this and it's like, oh, I'm a Victoria's Secret angel, and everyone will be like, oh, nice, cute. So I just love it. I think it's great. Let's split the screen now to the other robe. I love both of them so much. This one's definitely more in the theme of Victoria's Secret angel. However, this one just goes to show that you can use any sort of robe. Personally, I would recommend this one from Shein just because it's the exact print of Victoria's Secret, and you know, it's super cheap. So I love it very, very much, but the other one is an option as well. If you have watched all the way through to the end of this video, first of all, thank you. But secondly, you're gonna get a surprise, because with all those costumes I ordered for myself, I had to get one for the cat. It is this pumpkin suit, and my cat is very like nasty. He's not a very nice boy. He is to me, but he's not going to enjoy putting this on. So let's just see what happens. I'm really interested because it's so cute, and he can be festive too. Oh, look at you in your pumpkin suit. Are you a pumpkin king? Charlie? Oh, look at you, love. Charlie is the pumpkin king. As you can see, he is absolutely thrilled to be in this costume, but he looks so cute with the little leaves and ow, 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 and the pumpkin on the back. He looks really good. Don't you love it, Charlie? Do you love it? Okay, well, maybe not. With that, that is my review on Shein's Halloween costumes and some ideas on what y'all can wear for Halloween with items in your closet or from Shein. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to check out the links below as always, and also be sure to check out my second channel if you want to see some more fashion news videos. And of course, my merch is linked down below as well, and be sure to follow me on Instagram, TikTok, and all that fun stuff if you want to see what I end up wearing for Halloween. What am I even doing for Halloween? I don't even think I'm doing anything for Halloween, but you know, nonetheless, be sure to follow me to see what I end up wearing. I love you guys so, so much, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Mwah!